action. Let's go, everyone. Today we are unboxing an already unboxed package. This is brand new, but I popped it out of the cardboard box and this is how it looked like. This is a CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. This is what the package looks like, value size 16 ounce. And this is a foaming cleanser, which I like the bubbly, Let me show you all what it looks like. Foaming action, refreshes and cleanses. Non-drying, kind of debatable for me. Gentle on skin. Check out the directions over here. Wet skin with lukewarm water. Massage cleanser into skin in a gentle circular motion. Rinse. So I've been using this for a while. I like it personally. Maybe I use a little too much and it dries me out a little bit, but I wanted to show you all this. So brand new, gonna turn it and it'll pump into a liquid. Here, let me show you all. Waste a little bit. Oh, okay, see, it is the new. Wow. And then that's what it looks like, but it will foam. So that's it. Hope you all enjoyed. Hope you're all cleaning your pores, staying acne free, and hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Peace.